New products are important to sustain growth, increase revenue and profits, as well as replace obsolete items. For example, Procter and Gamble spend a considerable amount of money each year developing new products. They have 8,000 employees, 1,000 holders of PhDs, 26 innovation facilities around the world, and in 2012, they spent $2 billion on R&D, which stands for Research and Development. In case you're wondering, Procter and Gamble owns famous brands like Vicks, Oral-B, Crest, Gillette, Lacoste, Boss, Olay, CoverGirl, Old Spice, Pampers, and a lot of other products. Oh, also Head and Shoulders. Now, remember, each of these businesses that Procter and Gamble owns, these are all examples of strategic business units. In case you're wondering, what is a product? Everything, both favorable and unfavorable, that a person receives in an exchange. A product is made up of goods as well as services, and there are three layers of a product. There's the core product, there's the actual product, and there's the augmented product. The actual product includes the brand name, quality, styling, features, and packaging, whereas the augmented product is made up of the warranty, after-sale service, delivery credit options, installation, trading, support, and service. Imagine your birthday's coming up and you've been waiting to buy that brand new phone, right? You're super excited, you're ready. You go into the store, you have a chat with the service person, you purchase your brand new phone. Now, the core product is the phone itself. It gives you the ability to make phone calls, send messages, go online, download apps. Now, the actual product is made up of the brand name. So maybe you bought a Google Pixel or an iPhone or a Samsung. Now, the quality is the perceived quality as well as the real quality in this case. Styling, the way it looks, the features, all the cool things it can do. Packaging, which is the way it looks and feels from the outside. If you think about it, product begins the moment that you pick up your new item. Now, if you're looking at augmented products, so these are the warranty after-sale service. Now, most products in Australia do come with a 1-year warranty, but some products may have a longer warranty attached to it. And the after-sale service is a service that you might get from the company you bought it from, or perhaps the manufacturer, depending on the type of warranty. And this also includes installation, training, and support services. Sometimes when you buy certain products, say a television or a dishwasher, there can be additional services the company can sell to you, where they come in, remove your old dishwasher, and install the new one as part of their overall product offering. In terms of importance of new products, Gillette has a history of introducing new shaving systems before sales of the previous generation begins to decline. The key thing to remember here is for businesses, rather than waiting for a product to completely stop selling, it makes a lot more sense to give your customers something new, something potentially better, so that they don't end up switching to potentially your competitor for that something new and something better.